Hello friends, this is the question paper of BCA first semester. Subject is Computer Fundamental and Office Automation and the code is BCA 103. This paper is of 3 hours and the maximum marks is 75. And this question paper is to be divided into 3 sections, section A, B and C. So let's start. Section A, attempt all questions. Each question carries 3 marks. Very short answer is required. So the first question is, draw a well labeled block diagram of computer system. That is very common and very important questions. Maximum time this question is to be repeated again and again. Question second, discuss data and information with an example. So you have to explain data and information with example. Question third, give the syntax of any 3 command in MS Excel. Next question fourth, write the full form of the abbreviation given below, and the abbreviations are HDD, double E PROM जिसको हम EPROM बोलते हैं directly, and the C is PROM. Next question fifth, find the decimal equivalent of the following numbers, and these numbers are. So the section B, short answer type questions. Give short answers of any 2 questions out of the given 3 questions. Each question carries 7.5 marks. These are the 3 questions of section B. You attempt only 2 questions. Question 6 is compare the impact and non-impact printers. Next question 7, what are the batch files in DOS? How is a batch file created? And explain with the help of an example. क्वेश्चन 7 में 3 चीज़ें आपसे पूछी गई हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 8, ड्रॉ द फ्लो चार्ट टू फाइंड द एरिया एंड सर्कमफ्रेंसेस ऑफ अ सर्कल. Next section C, detailed answer type questions. Give answer to any 3 of the following 5 questions in detail. Each question carries 15 marks. Question 9th, discuss various types of primary and secondary memories. Question 10th, what are the main features of MS Excel? MS Excel के feature explain करेंगे. Next question, या next part of question 10 is, explain the 3 types of addressing modes available in MS Excel. Next C is, discuss the role of formulas in MS Excel. Question 11 is to be divided into 2 parts. A is, what is an assembly language? Next is, explain its advantages and disadvantages over machine level language. तो 11 क्वेश्चन को 2 पार्ट्स में तो डिवाइड किया गया है, बट जो हमारा फर्स्ट पार्ट है इसमें भी हमसे 3 चीज़ें पूछी हैं. असेंबली लैंग्वेज क्या है, उसके एडवांटेजेस एंड द डिसएडवांटेजेस. बी पार्ट ऑफ द 11th क्वेश्चन इज, डिस्कस द फीचर्स ऑफ MS पावर पॉइंट. MS पावर पॉइंट जो आप यूज़ करते हैं नॉर्मली, उसके आपको फीचर्स बताने हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 12th, स्टेट डिफरेंस बिटवीन. डिफ्रेंशिएट करनी है. 3 हमें इसके पार्ट्स दिए गए हैं. फर्स्ट इज बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम एंड डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम. नेक्स्ट इज LCD एंड प्लाज्मा. नेक्स्ट वन इज स्कैनर एंड प्लॉटर्स. Question 13 or the last question of this paper is also divided into 2 parts. A is, what do you understand by desktop publishing, and write the features of DTP. Next is, differentiate between high level assembly and machine language. हाई लेवल असेंबली लैंग्वेज और मशीन लैंग्वेज, इट मीन्स तीनों को आपको एक्सप्लेन करना है ना.